Viewers, Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army had entered Debrecen. After their entry, fighting is ongoing continuously in Debrecen. Viewers, Ethiopian Air Force is conducting airstrikes in intervals to stop Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army movement towards Debre Birhan and Addis Ababa. Afar forces and Ethiopian National Defense Forces are also moving towards Shiva Robit, which is under the control of Tigray Defense Force. Some Tigray Defense Force backed news sources claimed that Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army soldiers reached the outskirts of Debre Birhan. But no visual confirmation received. Reliable sources are claiming that Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army movement towards Debre Birhan has been halted due to airstrikes which Ethiopian Air Force is conducting in Debrecen and due to movement of Afar forces and Ethiopian National Defense Forces towards Shiva Robit. However, Tigray Defense Force made hundreds of fresh Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers prisoners, which can be seen in a video clip. I will share a video clip of captive Ethiopian soldiers at the end. Whereas Debre Birhan Chief Police has been arrested. There is an allegation that City Police Chief released some detainees who belong to Tigray People's Liberation Front. As per reports, they were supporting Tigray Defense Force directly or indirectly. Viewers, residents of Debre Birhan has been directed to carry their identity cards while moving outside. Identity cards will be checked on the roads. Large number of Ethiopian National Defense Force troops are present in Debre Birhan to stop Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army movement towards Debre Birhan and ultimately towards Addis Ababa. Viewers, as you know, Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed is on the front line to fight against Tigrayan forces. Government Communications Service Minister said that Abiy was still leading the nation from the battlefield, but he left his deputy to handle regular government issues while he is away. In the capital of Addis Ababa, thousands of residents have also been registered by the city and are carrying out patrols on the streets to boost security as the war with the Tigray People's Liberation Front intensifies after Tigray forces said they are closing in on the capital. Viewers, on the other hand, the United States and United Nations made renewed appeals to the combatants in Ethiopia to de-escalate and work towards negotiation. This comes as Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed goes to the front lines. United States Envoy Jeffrey Feltman warned that there is no military solution to Ethiopia's civil war. He called for de-escalation and negotiated ceasefire. Viewers, now let's watch video clip of captive Ethiopian army soldiers. Thanks for your precious time.